Hello, I'm Ron Austin. I'm the e-learning specialist with HCI at Bellevue College. In this tutorial, we'll focus on using the IBM Watson Assistant to create a chatbot. Creating a chatbot involves three primary steps. Creating intents and entities, and this is where we determine what the virtual assistant will understand, and we provide training examples for the bot to learn from. Build the dialogue. We utilize intents and entities plus context so that the chatbot will respond appropriately. Finally, we try out the chatbot by testing the dialogue with human interaction. So let's begin. First of all, I'm assuming you have an IBM Watson account created, and if not, then you'll need to create an account. Go to https://myibm.com/dashboard and select New Account. And then you'll have the opportunity to create one and to log into the site. And then once we're in the site and we're logged in, then we'll need to create a workspace. This chatbot that we'll be using will be used for a coffee ordering service, and I'll give the bot an appropriate name and description for that. IBM presents us with the Build menu, and here we begin by clicking Add Intent, Browse Content Catalog, or Import Intents. We can also just go to Entities, Dialog, or Content Catalog, and Content Catalog contains pre-created intents for generally common questions that may occur when interacting with such things as like insurance bots, phone services, e-commerce, general conversations, and other topics.